Alright, looks like part 2 of this one right now. Let's just see if the things are recording. देखते हैं यार record हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा, दिमाग ख़राब हो रहा है मेरा भी. हेलमेट पहनना पड़ रहा है because recording चल रहा है. And I think since this hall is not occupied by anybody else, there might be some echo in the voice, but let's just test it. Oh god, I'm going on a ride tomorrow. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. देखते हैं. खुल जा भाई. चलो यार. Let's just check out my beauty right now. We are almost here. I think that guy's gonna laugh. Hey baby. Hello. चलो यार. Yeah, I am going to review about the things that I've done on this bike. This is a fully loaded Mahindra touring edition bike actually. It doesn't come like this, you know, it's basically very much stock. I would say very much stock, but this is gonna be nice. I'm gonna review this later. Just a minute. Cold start. And there you go. Let's check it out. Man, I love the place that I'm staying actually. Okay. अभी देखते हैं इसका आवाज़ कैसे आता है. I hope everybody is able to hear me. I hope I'm loud, I hope I'm clear, I hope when I'm actually riding in about 60s, 70s or probably around 100s, when I'm cruising at 100s, you should be able to hear me clearly. If not, then we have a problem with our GoPro 9. The adapter does bus plate tricks. High beam. Check out the power of these lights. Here is the low beam, here is the high beam, and there you have the ultra high beam, guys. Again, I'm gonna review them. Trust me, I don't think anybody has spent this much on their Mahindra Mojo bike actually the way I've spent it. I've wanted the best. I don't want anything which is like bullshit, or probably, you know, just go to a mechanic and, you know, probably, you know, get something done or probably get something fabricated. मेरे को वो चाहिए नहीं था यार. मेरे को, I wanted to spend the best on the bike so I can use it for a long time and, you know, enjoy this bike the way it is. It's just run 7,127 kilometers right now. I've not used it so well. लेकिन अभी I swear guys, I'd say I'm gonna start uploading the YouTube videos. I'm gonna start doing a lot more vlogs. काम करना पड़ता है यार, काम करना पड़ता है. I'm so busy with stuff. साला अपना टाइम ही नहीं निकाल नहीं पाते हम लोग actually. And what happens in the cold start? Alright, let me quickly stop over here and just see if the voice is recording clearly. I'll post that video as well. Looks like it's working fine. आवाज़ तो मस्त आ रहा है यार, सीरियसली बता रहा हूँ ना मैं. I don't seem to be having any issues. The best part is, the way I was riding right now, I had not closed the visor on the helmet, but still the voice was very loud, very clear, very crisp. I don't have to do any editing. Now this again is with the visor actually. Let me just close the visor and see how exactly it sounds. It might be even more better. Alright, अभी देखते हैं इसका आवाज़ कैसे आएगा. Oh man, I love this bike. I love this bike. I love this bike. Chalo. And I hope again I'm loud and clear. I am not going to edit any of this. I'm going to put it the way it is, because I want you guys to review this. I want you guys to give me the feedback. I want you to tell me that, okay fine, this is actually sounding nice, or probably it's worse. If it's worse, tell me. I am going to throw my GoPro Hero 9 because I am frustrated right now with this bloody adapter. You know, you spend around 40k to buy this GoPro Hero 9, and then they do one more screw up. They don't allow you to actually connect the GoPro with a normal mic or the normal adapter. You have to buy a new adapter over there. That is going to cost you 3,500. Now, if you're a vlogger, you would need a good mic, right? Yeah, you can get a Moana one from the Amazon. It's probably going to cost you cheaper, 1,399 or 400 rupees, something like that. But I don't want you guys to give you guys the worst experience, or just like a normal vlogger kind of a crap actually, right? So हमने लिया Saramonic headphones. I will post a link from where I bought it. You guys can probably pick it up from there. It is costly, but trust me, it's one of the best mics for vlogging, especially for motovlogging. But if you are inside the house, or let's say you are a beauty vlogger, or you do makeup, or whatever it is, right? It's even more better. Check out my place. Which part of Bangalore has all this? I don't know. Let's see. अभी ना हो गया रिएक्शन वीडियो. अभी इट्स नॉट अ रिएक्शन वीडियो गाइस. आई एम जस्ट टेस्टिंग माय माइक. कल राइड पे जाना है, कल आपको एक नया सा व्लॉग भी आपको दिखाना है. एक्चुअली आई वांट टू शो यू. I had removed my DV killers on this bike at one point in time. It did sound nice. The problem was that the mileage, right? Yeah. If you're a budget vlogger and you want to save money and you want to travel and you want to do a lot of things, trust me, don't do all that crap the way I did. DV killers मत निकालो. सबसे पहला बात कि पुलिस तुमको पकड़ेगा, पुलिस तुमको 4 मारेगा, उसके बाद तुम्हें फाइन ठोकेगा, तो साइलेंसर निकाल के तुम्हारा फेंक देगा, जस्ट लाइक हाउ दे डू फॉर रॉयल एनफील्ड, राइट? तो वो मत करना. सेकेंड थिंग इज, if you remove the DB killers, then there is how would I say it, the petrol burns more faster, right? And if you're doing a long ride, or if you just keep on riding and you're reaching some other place or whatever it is, and there are no petrol burns, trust me, it doesn't make sense. This is the Green Dot International School. I haven't switched on my high beams, but if I do, this is how it looks, baby. This is how it looks. This is the high beam, and let me just show you the ultra high beam on this bike. There you go. You saw it's got both the spot and the spread of these lights. I'm not going to tell you which lights they are as of now. I am going to tell you later when I'm going to review them actually. But from what I know, this road actually reaches out to the Hosur main road. पता नहीं अभी तो देखा नहीं है मैंने, आज जा रहा हूँ. But I am not going to take that road. I am going to take a U-turn right now and go back home, upload this video for you guys, alright, and then see how it works. Again, are we in high beam? Okay, let's just go back to low beam. Do not switch on, if you're putting these lights in the next review, if I tell you which lights they are, do not put the high beam in the city roads while you're traveling in the city, especially with the traffic on and everything. It is going to blind people. I did that once. I'm telling you my own experience, it is not right. Okay, this is only for touring because you want to be safe. First thing. Second thing is that you want to see, you want to have the visibility on the road as much as you can, right? So आंटी घुस गई थी यार गाड़ी के अंदर, आज मत डालना यार. आई एम टेलिंग यू, लो बीम में रखो, गाड़ी भगाओ, इशू नहीं रहेगा. हाई बीम में रहेगा तो इट स्विचेस ऑन बेसिकली अबाउट 15 LEDs टुगेदर. एंड चलो आपको बोल देता हूँ एक्चुअली. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू विच लाइट्स दे आर. देखो ऑलरेडी उसने हाई बीम लो बीम कर दिया उसने अपनी गाड़ी का, because the low beam itself is how would I say it, it is very bright in low beam itself. Okay, I did this, I added these lights only because Mahindra does not give you the right set of lights on the bike, and when you're touring, when you're doing a hardcore touring on this bike, you are gonna find it difficult because you can't see the roads clearly. Yeah, as simple as that. Mahindra, are you listening to me? कुछ कर मेरे भाई, महिंद्रा भाई, लाइट्स बराबर लगा दो, हमको ये एक्स्ट्रा वगैरह करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है एक्चुअली. बट nonetheless, the bike's engine, the bike is amazing. Is amazing. Trust me. For what you pay, you get the best out of it. And other thing I want to tell you is like, in these roads, right? I mean, you have the way these roads are constructed, and these are basically between a lot of villages and everything. You can do a lot of trail riding. Trust me on that. Again, one more. This guy is like staring. Okay, who the hell is this guy? क्या कर रहा है मेरे भाई? गाड़ी भगा रहा है या बंदे से बात कर रहा है? But I'm gonna upload this. I am very close to my house right now. Yes, yep, I'm close to my house right now. I'm gonna upload this, guys. Do tell me, this is gonna be a raw footage, so I'm not gonna edit anything. I'm just gonna listen to it once and I'm gonna upload it straight away the way it is. Do tell me if the mic sounds good, if my voice is clear, if my voice is crystal clear, and like, share, subscribe. It is not a big deal for you guys. Trust me, I am a budding vlogger. I need a lot of views. I know I am going to show a lot of great things as well on the vlogs when I'm doing it. Please, 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 humble request, people. Thank you. See you guys. Bye.